Hello guys, I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration of open source application. Okay, so for today's video guys, we will do some update of installation for our MagnusBilling class for open source switch and billing for our VoIP for our VoWiFi phones. Okay, so for now we will gonna do installation. We are using Contabo BPS server on the first server, so we will click here to the installation, and it's very simple. So just double check what is the recommended OS. So it said here Debian 11 is the recommended, and just with version 7, just copy and paste it to the footy. Okay, so for now I have already here my footy. Okay, so from here I just check and show to you how what is my OS right now. It's on it's a Debian 11 installed on my VPS server. Okay, so to start the installation, it's very simple. Just follow this script. Just copy all this one, copy. Okay, then go back here and then paste and then do enter. Okay, that's very simple, and wait until the MagnusBilling will be finished. So from here, just select your time zone. So I will use America. Okay, what is the time state? Okay, I will use New York. Okay, America, New York. Okay, and then the installation will on process. Okay, okay. So just wait until the installation will be finished. So once done, we will do check check. Okay, so after this video we will also make a video regarding how do you upload, or from your existing server and you want to upload to your new server all the data. So you just pull out the backup and upload the DB to the new server. So it means a backup and install the backup. Okay, so hope you are enjoying our videos for today, and also I see some progress on our channel. So I see some raising my subscribers and views, so I'm very thankful for that. So that we I'm if I'm gonna get more subscribers and views, so we will definitely we do most of the video requests on our channel. So for today, we will do the request how to backup and upload the backup to the new server. So for now, I just installing a new server. So this is a first video, and then after this video, I will re-upload again to my channel, and then part 2 will be the downloading the backup and re-uploading again. Okay, so I will get the backup to my old server of MagnusBilling, and I will destroy this one and upload over here also. Okay, so watch and learn. So hope you are enjoying guys. So uh, more video, more viewers, and if you want to send donation, you can see the donation on my description. You can see my pay folder or Wise or any any payment method you can send and you can ping me, okay? And also for our, if they want to, for the installation and setup for Magnus, I'm charging only for $100. So installation and basic configuration only. And for VG dial installation is $100 for installation and basic firewall, $150 for VC dial installation, basic configuration, firewall. We have RTC, VG White. We'll do only scratch installation for VG dial, and we are using asterisk 16 via Alma Linux 8 and Rocky Linux 8. So, okay. So, anyone, if you want interested, just ping me. And for our hourly support, I'm charging for $50 for hourly support. So, I know it's too high, but this is the rate that I want to charge. Okay. So, hope you are enjoying our videos. So, don't forget to share our videos so that we can get more views and more subscribers, so that I can able to do all your requests, what your message on my channel. So all comments will be granted once we reach this video like 5k views for this MagnusBilling or any of the new upload video. It will someone there will reach 5k, so we will do some other configuration or some tweaks for which dial that you want to learn, or only basic almost. So because I did not know all the settings for which dial, I'm still on learning. So once I learn, I'll just create a video so that I can watch also by myself if I have some troubles or issue regarding that installation. So hope you are enjoying again. So this is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for our open source applications. So this video is update installation for MagnusBilling via Debian OS 11. Okay. Okay, so while we're waiting, I will just to show you what are the so also if you want to premium support or active support, you can message the Magnus guy who build or create the MagnusBilling. So you can message the Adelson for the commercial support, so that they can guide you or they can give you a commercial configuration integration with, because for now MagnusBilling can handle 12 to 15 CC or CPS. So it means 10 CPS equivalent to 100 concurrent calls at a time. So I think it depends on the server also. Just because asterisk server can only handle 200 concurrent calls. Okay, so some can handle 1000, but it depends on server requirements or server specs. Okay, so MagnusBilling is classware softquiz class 4 and 5, so they can do all of this one. So we will try to do all this all the possibilities, the this one, like the voice broadcasting, card calling, DID management, SMS sending. I'm not sure about that. Call shop, we can able click CID, click callback, we can able to do that. And 800, what is that, 800 something. So we will do also on the latest soon for the videos on our MagnusBilling. Okay, so hope you are enjoying. So we can do the 0800 web, IVR, call queue, or per-minute spot. We can configure that on Magnus very soon. Very, very soon, okay? I don't know why you are still spamming. So they have a lot of spamming message I've received lately. But definitely it's auto block. I'm not opening spam. Alright. Okay, so check. So for the installation, so you need to have a patient so that you can able to install it successfully. Okay. Patient is the main course for Scratch installation. Okay. Because you need to see the errors every setup. Okay, language selection, press 2 for English. Okay, so as you see, we have successfully installed the Magnus. The default username and password is root and password is Magnus. So this one is for our SSL. So you need to copy. Okay, so reboot. Okay. Okay, so once you're going to restart, it's not yet back, so we need to wait a few minutes. Okay, so root, and then the password. Okay, as you can see, we are on Contabo BPS server. So let's check. It means, yeah, so it means it's working. Okay, and then we want to try to access our server. Go back here. So our IP. Okay. Paste. Okay. So seems it's working, but a little bit slowly. Maybe okay. So password is root. Root is the username. MagnusBilling is the password. That's the default password. Okay, so from here I can put my email. Okay, currency USD, so I just put your Gmail and then save. Alright, and then we need to change our password. So current password should be Magnus, and then yung password it should be okay, and then save. We have successfully saved, so just put over here and just put my user again. Got it. So it means it's saved. So I need to log out or exit. Okay. Okay, so means we have successfully installed our MagnusBilling server. So for now you can able to create a zip user account, etc. So we have a lot of functions over here. So you need to, once you already have the installed MagnusBilling, you need to configure. Mostly is the first is the billings, I mean the rates. Okay, so you need to have a plan, tariffs, and prefix. Mostly prefix is the destination you want to code, like for one US, etc. Okay, so tariff is the rate, plan is the user you have. If you have a lot of tariffs and you want to assign per user, a different user, they have different tariffs, so you need to create a plan over here. And also routes, this is will be the trunk. Okay, means you need to configure here, you need to create a provider and then trunks, it means the carrier. Okay, so you can put also the rates over here if you want, and this one server if you want to uh, subscribe for another uh, C application for MagnusBilling, so that you can able to call until to 40 CPS. Okay, so it means you need to add more asterisk server over here. Okay, so hope you are enjoying our video. This video is update installation for our MagnusBilling latest version, MagnusBilling 7 using the Debian 11 OS. I'm using BPS hosting of Contabo. Okay guys, so hope you are enjoying our latest video for today. So don't forget to share and like and subscribe our channel, so that we are able to earn also, and you also learn and I'm earning. Okay, so when you watch you can share, I can possible to earn a few bucks, and so that and also you have also uh, add some learning on your end. Okay, hope you are in good health and have a God bless day to all of us. Thank you again, and bye bye.